Oh, nice. Cool. I guess I got the category on Twitch to auto set. That's pretty good. Whoa. Hey, Mittens. How's it going? All right. Let's get started. Hey, everybody. Happy Friday Eve. My favorite day of the week. And yeah, we got some stuff to do. I have to figure out why the weapon system isn't working on client side. It is working when I reload the page, but yeah, we gotta kind of jump into the code a little bit. So I'm gonna have to actually go to my local and figure this out, which should be running. Yeah. So for those of you who have no idea what's going on, I am developing an RPG video game based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles. That would be this. And book 1 and 2 are available on Amazon right now. But in order to create this video game, I need to create a game engine to allow me to build it in WordPress. Yes, WordPress. I am a WordPress programmer. I am not a WordPress developer. I am not a WordPress user. I'm a WordPress programmer. So that means I can make WordPress do things it's not supposed to, like be a game engine. And that's where I'm at right now. So first things first, do I even have my katana in there? I think I do. Part of the game engine allows you to put God mode on. You can walk through walls. Yep, there it is. Okay, cool. So the problem I'm having is the fact that when we grab the weapon, which there's already a problem right now, the fact that there's no fist. So I got to figure that out. My guess is storage is not being updated. Okay, I might have to look into that. But now when I grab the weapon, it does do all the client side. It's persisting the katana, so he has it now. But for some reason, when I go to weapons, it doesn't show up. So the logic that's supposed to actually add it to the menu is not working, I guess. Add storage item. What is it? Storage something? Storage item. Save storage item. Let's remove. I don't think, no, so yeah, this isn't the thing that adds it. So this would be it right here. right? Add to menu. Yeah. So the save storage item's working fine, but it appears that this shit is not working. Meaning, why? Well, it's supposed to add it. It's a store item. I grab the item, I have the type. Everything's fine, everything's fine. I create a new menu item span, and then I do that for some reason. I know it's getting down to save storage item because it is actually persisting it. Only problem is it's not adding it to the goddamn menu. Which, yeah, it's creating the item, it's adding all the shit it needs. It's definitely a weapons type. I'm getting the item style. I'm replacing width and height, I guess. Sure. And we're creating the image. I'm adding the image. With 80, I think it's supposed to be smaller than that. I don't remember. And then append. Menu item. Oh, that's the image. Okay, so what am I doing with the menu item though? Nothing. Wait, what? Oh, a prepend menu item. If it's a new item. So I'm grabbing, oh, that's right. So if there's room, I'm grabbing the storage item that's empty, which they're all empty. I'm removing it. So this is the first item. What's going on, Pram Boy? How you doing, bud? Thanks for jumping on. I'm grabbing, where are my headphones? Oh, there they are. I'm grabbing the empty. Check if item already exists and iterate, yeah. And we're grabbing all these. So we're going through all the not empty ones and we're checking. But we have the empty one removed. And by default, it is new, otherwise it's false. Okay, cool. So this is true. And then I'm prepending it to the menu. And the menu comes from the menu type, right? Yeah, menu type. All right, so everything's good. So let's start digging through and see what the hell's going on here. First off, I want to just go all the way to here. Let's see if this is getting hit. Because that will be very telling if it's not. Okay. So, well, first off, I have to restart the game again. I hope I get more views too. Yeah, I was streaming on Tuesday, and it was pretty damn dead. But yeah, it's getting a little bit bigger. Let's see. So now let's go collect the katana again. See what the nut is going on. Internal server error. That's great. Well, there you go. So we're getting the menu item. It has the image in it, right? Yep. Looks good. But when we go to the actual menu, let's double check that the menu's showing. Oh. Is that the problem? The menu item click's not working. Is it? Oh shit, look, it is adding it. Oh, interesting. Well, that's dumb. When did that break? I know it works on reload. Am I screwing up the click event for menu tabs? Huh. All right, well, that's working. So it's the menu tab click. Well, that's dumb. Yeah, menu tabs. Div. So we have the tabs. We have the tabs going through them. We have the index, whatever. We're adding click event. But when is this getting added? This is getting added on load. Oh. I don't think this is getting added when you go to a new area. Son of a bitch. That would explain it. I need to make this into a util and run it on new area when you go to a new area. Good to know. Engage storage menu. And now let's do the same thing. Function engage storage menus. Okay. Cool. And now I need to call this on enter new area. Yeah. Right. Because that's different. Where should I do it? Engage settings menus? Yeah. Engage storage menus. Yeehaw. Okay, it should work now. That was an easier bug than I thought. All right, let's test it out. Womp. And then we'll go to condo and we'll go into God mode so I can walk through walls again. Because by this point, you're supposed to have transportation. I just don't want to replay all the mini games and shit to get transportation. And let's see if it works. Wank, wonk, bonk. Perfect. Okay, good. So we can get to the menu now. So now when I click, we have this. All right, I'm a katana. Very good, very good. Alright, let's push this up so I can move forward. Okay. Code push. Is there anything else we need to do? I kind of wanted to do an end-to-end test today. I do have some items on the board here. And I do need to start from pre-boss. I could go back into some set dressing. I need to get the magnet laboratory going again. And then we can move on to the last 4. Fucking 4 more. But I kind of want to focus on some code stuff. Just to make sure we're like 100. At the end of the day, I could fill those with bullshit. I do need to do at least Diona's office. I could fill the other 3 with like under construction signs if I wanted to. Wouldn't be the end of the world, but or maybe like, I don't know, cover them in shadows. I don't know. But yeah, in the meantime, I think I want to just jump on into end-to-end test, starting from the beginning and just seeing if there's anything functionally that needs to get fixed right now. Because that would be what I want done before I launch the game so that I could launch the game engine in beta. So let's do that. Why don't we? Select files. Come on. Alright. Orbem Studio. Push. Let there be production. Alright, cool. Now we'll jump into production. And we're not going to get to this in a while anyway, so we can probably just get started on the end-to-end. We'll go full width. Brand new game. And in fact, I kind of want to do this incognito, not on a like pro account like mine. So let's actually, all right, that's done. Let's jump in the incognito and go to orbem.games, which, hey, you can all do this too right now if you want. Go ahead, test the game out. See what I care. Okay. And then we'll just do a new game without logging in. We'll let everything run, including all the cutscenes, and just kind of pay attention as much as we can. Uh-oh. First issue. The hell? Did it pause itself? I guess we'll skip that. Not sure why the video paused. Okay. What is going on? Hold on. We're missing people. Wait, what? Okay. Hold on. There's definitely some asset issues going on right now. Try this again. Maybe I need to update my Chrome. Nah, I should be fine. All right, let's try again. Shit. The video is dying. I wonder why. Why are you fucking me up, Google? Is it because I'm incognito? No, thank you. Huh. But why am I missing assets on the page? Like, where are all the images? Where are the images? They're not even failing. They're just not here. All the people are gone. Well, the items are here, but all the characters are gone. Look, even my boss is gone. What the fuck? Oh, did I screw up the character images? Well, that's why we intend test. I might have screwed them up when I was doing the new images. This is a trigger. Where's, oh, it's Salverson right here. That's a cutscene trigger. Hold on, the code did just finish deploying. I'm gonna double check though if we're getting dead images. Salverson. Okay, that's somebody walking around. That is Carol. Carol, how come you don't have any images? Whoops. All right, hold on. Let's take a look at the code. Apparently, we fucked up images. I've been playing in my condo for so long, I didn't even notice that I lost all the character images. Why is it doing that? What the hell's going on? Okay, well, it wasn't even doing that. What the fuck did I do? What is this? No, like, what is this gray shit? Oh, it's an error. Why? What happened? Oh, maybe this is why the images aren't showing up. Aha. What is this? Class Explorer 2303. What, you think 4,000 lines of code is a lot? It's not. Classes can handle it. All right, 2303. Array merge. Okay, got it. I see, because I'm assuming that weapon images exists. All right, hold on. So I need to do this. True equals is array. Weapon images. That. Otherwise, images. There you go. That'll do. So now if I refresh, skip, new game. Yay. There they come back. All right, let's push this up and continue our end-to-end. I can't do the end-to-end without the characters, so I need to push this up first. Probably going to be doing this a few times. All right, back to production. Actually, let's refresh so that I don't start a bunch of cutscenes. Cool. Let's give it one more song and then it'll probably be ready. That's so weird. That's like a song I have in my head that I remember, but I half remember it. What was that song? Like, I remember that part, but what the fuck? What was the rest of the song? Well, that's a weird one. Okay. Sorry, I just got very distracted. Orbem.games. Everybody can go there, come play the game. Or don't, whatever. Wait, what? Oh, there's a video. There we go. Apparently not. Sometimes this shit does not load. Like, it doesn't like incognito mode. It might be because I'm physically downloading a game right now. I mean, pushing up code. It's very possible. But like sometimes it thinks it's going, yeah, see, like now it works. Maybe the code was just pushing, I don't know. All right, new game, continue. See if the video actually finishes this time. It probably wasn't finishing because of the actual error. so far so good. Images are back. Carol is back. I've got my cutscenes working. Let's unmute. Let's start running through this.
I wonder what that sign says.
Okay, let's check out what the sign says. Good to know. Let's check all the cutscenes. Make sure they work. All these, I can walk around here fine. Everything's cut off perfectly. Good to go.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Hey, Cranston.
No hard feelings. Hey.
Bye, Cranston. Yeah, not into Cranston. And let's go over to Giles. The office is looking good. Yes, 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 I know. Get away from me. Go do your own thing. Everything's good. Oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there.
No problem, mate.
I gotta go pack up. Got fired and all.
Look, I know.
Bye, Giles. Sounds good. The new voiceovers sound good. That opens fine. Everything seems good. Let's test all the plants. I got my point. Got my point. Cool, cool, cool. Should be 9. Okay, got 9 points. Let's get out of here. Make sure her sign works.
What was I doing again?
Oh.
Oh, need to grab my stuff.
Okay. Carol Wayne's Bladder. That's a weird name. Alright, let's check my office. All packed up and ready to go. Looking good. Collected my stuff. I'm getting stuck, but that's okay. I'm not really able to fix some of that stuff. Great. Let's check my office. Yeah, got fired. That's right.
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
Alright, let's talk to the boss. So far the missions are looking good.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig.
Oh, hey, Gray. Sorry, I didn't notice you were there. Look, so sorry about your project not working out. Don't worry, though. You're a young guy. You'll do great things in your life after foresight. I know it.
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the vortex disruption and getting a real proof of concept. You were there. You saw the wormhole open that day, right?
Graham, unfortunately, no one saw. And it isn't just the board who has doubts. Between Professor Cranston and Dr. Giles both making some solid arguments against your wormhole theory.
Cranston and Giles have been enough fun to work with me since I was brought on. You know they'd say anything too.
Don't forget the watermelon incident. There's just no way they'll agree to let me keep funding your research. I'm sorry, Graham. Meet me in my office.
Cool. Cutscene worked. Good to go. Everything, you can walk around here. I can always add more Easter eggs in here and things to do. Interact with the fridge, that kind of stuff. Interact with the coffee machine. Pop, 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 pop. Nothing to do here. Okay. We still have all our points. We have our $50. Music changed. And I didn't do anything in here. No like fun things. I could animate this hot tub. Eventually, I do want to make all of these, or like some of them maybe, actually work. Not work, but maybe make a mini game. And then when I get close enough.
You know why I started Foresight, Grain?
To take over the world?
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought possible, to bring technology to godlike heights.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant to say.
No one gets it, Grain, but you do. You get it. That's why I chose to bring you here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest lab. You and I are very similar.
Right. Almost like twins, eh?
None of this matters. Not the money, not the board, and certainly not 99% of the crap that's developed and pushed out of here.
So, what does matter, sir?
Magic.
Magic, sir? Like wizard magic?
Did you know that lightning was considered magic at one point? Fire? The sun? No, the magic to which I'm referring is not the magic of fantasy. It's the unknown. Science yet to be discovered. So far in advance that if anyone from our time saw it in use, they would have to consider it magic. Everyone is afraid of what they cannot comprehend. Just like people are afraid of your research. The world could fly by another 1,000 years and we'd never figure out what a real wormhole is. Space-time has so far been frustratingly beyond mortals. Your research is something quite special. I called you here to tell you to continue your research. You are to continue, and in fact double your efforts, effective immediately. You will be stationed at my research facility in Orkney, Scotland.
I'm sorry, did you say Scotland?
I.
All right. Transition worked. We got to a new area after the cutscene. And I have the new layout. I need to add walls. We gotta do that. I have not added the walls for the new layout. Well, I'm not done with the map yet, so that makes sense. But let's double check that this works. So I can't get out. Nope. Employee ID card is required access to grid. And I can clearly see that's the research grid. Okay.
May I help you, sir?
Hello, sir. I'm Dr. Graham Milford.
May I help you, sir?
Yes. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I'm in the right place. Mr. Salverson sent me here to continue some research.
Mr. Milford, I see here you are stationed in Section C, Lab 2 of the research grid. Here is your temp badge to get you through the end of the week. A permanent badge will be sent to your company-provided condo in Delta Sign, number 445. Here are your keys. Do not lose them. If you lose your keys, a replacement charge will be required to procure a new set. Here is your CNC. Do not lose your CNC, or a replacement charge will be required to procure a new one. You can enter through the doors to your right.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
I thought I got points for that. I guess I didn't. But the mission did end. I didn't hear a sound too. Have I not been getting... No, I heard sounds, didn't I? Oh, maybe not. I need to double check on getting sounds when we collect things. No, I heard sounds in the first one. Maybe it's just a new area isn't getting sounds. Yeah, maybe this play shit's failing. I don't know. Let's wait till we get another one. I feel like it's possible the same thing is happening in new areas. Like I need to have an engaged sounds. Especially like completing missions and stuff. Let's do save mission. Where are the sounds for that? Show mission, blah, 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 blah. Run point animation. This is where the sound plays. And it goes play point sound. Yeah, no, see, this is just a thing. I don't think I define anything. This just happens when it says play point sound. I just wonder if this ID doesn't exist. Let me double check. Oh, no, it's there. Right here. Huh. This is the right one. Yeah, that's right. Okay, well, it's there. Let's continue. Because I did notice it in the other one. Oh, we got a phone call. Let's double check that's working.
This is your CNC device. Refer to this while in the Tyrus Research Facility.
Yeah, okay. That's working fine.
This is your CNC device.
Alright, thanks.
Refer to this while in the Tyrus Research Facility.
In the Tyrus. Doesn't know how to pronounce Tyrus. Yeah, I gotta finish all that. Do all the walls. I think it's part of the map though. Because once I finish all the map, like all this stuff needs to be kind of walled in. Added collision points. There's Genie getting hit with a flamethrower. That came out good. Looking pretty toasty over there. And this one I haven't added. Okay. Let's continue. Talk to your onboarder. I gotta go talk to my onboarder. And there she is.
Hello, Mr. Milf. Ahem.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I help you?
Hello, Mr. Milford.
Oh, hello.
It's Dr. Negrescu. I'll be showing you to your station and getting you onboarded. Follow me, please.
Yeah, okay. This is looking good. We'll put professors in. I'm gonna have a bunch of extra NPCs running around, so that'll be good. There's the rocket.
I can't help but notice how fast you walk.
She does walk very fast.
Oh, sorry. I lost track of my velocity at times.
My
It's
velocity.
part of my Patreon enhanced biomechanics. It allows a subject to function at 5 times the capacity of their average physical capabilities. Reduced lactic buildup, muscle strengthening, mixed with increased flexibility results in a much higher speed of
That's a
movement.
Romanian accent, apparently.
How do you accomplish this? For that matter, how did you get authorization to test it on yourself?
You'll find that this research facility has a lot of pecs. We can push the boundaries of science without the political red tape and financial blockades that plague most other scientists. Mr. Salverson makes sure we are free to do what's best for our research. As far as how this is accomplished, the simple version is that my genes have been altered via proprietary sigma radiation. It will take a few days to explain this properly, but alas, here we are.
Here
Do
we
you
are.
have any questions?
So what's with the glass walls?
What about them?
Well, there isn't much privacy. I mean, I take it Salverson's quite transparent about his concurrent projects.
He had not put much thought into that, but yes, Mr. Salverson does believe that all of the P-traces should remain open to gain insights, or even combine efforts as needed, to further their research. You should not worry about safety, though. The glass is kite indestructible. If you hear an explosion and you will, there is no need to worry about shrapnel.
Well, that's good. Nothing will ruin your afternoon quite like shrapnel. Sorry for my ignorance, but you've mentioned P3 a couple of times now. What is that?
Oh, my apologies. I must run, but perhaps we
I
should
must
meet for
run.
dinner tonight.
Yeah,
If you
the
better
cutscenes
give
are
more
sounding good.
information, you'll need
I think
to
my
understand
voiceovers
the
are
P-trace history and
good
goals.
enough.
I missed lunch.
So, dinner, tonight.
I still have to finish Bylon's voiceover, so.
Wonderful, then, it's a date. Why don't you get settled here and I'll send the dinner specifics to your CNC. By the way, it stands for Closed Network Communicator. We are a transparent relay inside the facility, but should have zero contact with the outside world once you are on premises.
Yeah.
You have probably noticed that all outside signals are being blocked.
Great. Thanks for the information.
Oh, shit. Well, I found one fuck up. I need to go back to that cutscene. It's Siona again. I obviously selected the wrong person to talk. Yeah. That should be Graham. There we go. Good catch. Good catch. Okay, well, here we are. Organize your office. Let's go look around a little bit. Add some watermarks, like some drips. That should make this a little bit cooler. This also needs a bunch of blocks as well for the walls. Alright.
This is going to take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
I definitely need to reorganize this shit. Because right now it's basically in the right spot. Yeah, I'm not hearing the ching sound. That's not good. The sound effects are basically empty. Yeah, these are all in their like actual places. Alright, we gotta figure that out. And this needs to be resized, I think. Oh, that worked. Didn't I already do monitors? Wait, what? Why does it say meet at Bylon already? Ah, son of a bitch. There, message. That worked. Alright. Well, we're gonna need to reorganize that. And I need to figure out why we're not getting sound effects. Which will be easy to find out right now. Because I just went to a new area. Wait, no I didn't. Okay, let's collect the box and see if we get a ching.
What was I doing again?
Okay, so it's working here. It's not working in Iris. Why is that? No. Hold on. We have some dueling website noises. Okay.
May I help you?
Hello,
Mr. Milford,
I'm
I
Dr.
see
Milford.
your
I hope
station
you
in
have a
section
great
Oh yeah,
day.
see, it didn't work.
of the research number
grid.
445. Here is your temp
Weird.
badge to get you through the end of the week.
It exists, but it's not pinging the noise. All right, let's figure out why not. So let's just make sure this is getting hit at all. Point sound. At least it's replicable locally. Pretty sure talking to her should make a point. Well, let's check it out. Actually, I probably didn't need to do that. All right, what are we getting? Cannot read. Huh? Data set? What happened? Default map is cutscene. That's weird. Not my problem right now.
Hello, Ahem.
Oh,
Hello,
oh,
it's
Okay, well, it's not getting hit. So that's the thing. So if this isn't getting hit, then it's being stopped somewhere. It's definitely saving the mission, but play point sound is not getting hit. Meaning, what is happening? Add new point, count to DB. I mean, that might be happening. Maybe it's... No, none of this would block it. Oh, this would. If points didn't exist, this wouldn't get hit. The points. The points is this point type amount. Alright, well, let's see if we're getting this. And then the only other thing is go past, see if run point animation is getting hit at all, which it might not be. Let's try this again. All right, let's try it.
May I help you, sir?
yes. Sorry,
Mr. Milford, a permanent badge. Here are your keys. Do not lose. Here is your seat.
thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
Nothing. Okay, well, then run point animation's not getting hit. That's weird. Give point if value type is specified. So this is after cutscene, which is what I just got. And this would be if the cutscene type exists. I'm pretty sure the points. Oh, no. Yeah, run. Am I not getting points for that? Oh, I guess I'm not. It's... Should be getting points for that. I wonder if I gave myself points for that, if it would work. So talk to Andy, completes a mission, which is collect your ID card. So if I go to collect your ID card, it has 50 points. Okay, so I'm supposed to be getting points for that. Well, that would explain why I'm not getting a points animation. So, okay, points animation, run point animation. But I'm more worried about mission complete, not saving the mission. Because it should be. So let's double check what's going on here. Something is fishy. Does it feel like this is getting hit? I mean, I could tell. See, add explore points and mission are getting hit. Yeah, collect your ID card. Add points. There's no money. Reception door. That's interesting. I guess that's just kind of saying, hey, persist is being gone. Yeah, I don't think I got any money for that. But this worked. So it's saving the mission. The mission has 50 points attached to it, but it's not actually doing it. So this is getting hit. This is getting hit. The mission endpoint. But what's not getting hit is this run point animation. Meaning there's either something wrong with the mission, which could be. What is the mission? The mission is the mission. Mission is fine, but for some reason it's not happening. Okay. So if it's not that, then it has to be this. Nope. Yes. No. This. Yeah, these are different. So it's this. So that means value is still coming up nothing. Okay. Which is the most likely scenario. So that means that save mission is getting a hit after cutscene, but coming up with nothing in the value. So let's go back to after cutscene. And then let's go down to save mission. So it's right here, mission complete. Complete mission if cutscene has one. Yeah. So that means value is not this. Why did I do that? Wait. Mission is mission. I must have changed this. Did I change this? Mission complete is a mission name. I'm doing both. What? Mission, position, value. Value is supposed to be a number. That's confusing. Wait, points. Mission points. Oh yeah, see, mission points. Wait, what's value supposed to be? Value is the element. Wait, what? So wait, what is value supposed to be here? Save mission. Mission complete mission. Okay, well, this is correct then. It is completing the mission, so I know it's getting to here. I know it's getting to save mission. We need to figure out why it's not getting to this. So my guess is that value is greater than 0 is wrong, because that's not what it's using. It's using mission point, not value. So that's weird. So let's see what we get. What? I said new game, bro. What the hell's happening? Locals going crazy.
Let's start off with a nice formal intro.
Yo! What's going on, Andrew? That's me, your fave. Fave, bro. That's your intro music. Okay, let's see if this works.
May I help,
Yes,
Mr. Milford?
sir. Sorry,
I see
a
here you were
permanent badge
stationed in
will-
section C. Here is lab 3 of
Thank
the
you,
research
sir.
grid.
I hope you have a
Here
great
is your
day.
temp badge to get you through the end of the week.
So value's coming up. Is it greater than 0? I don't know if this is correct or not. I guess I should test if it's getting through here. Maybe. Yeah. That's definitely getting hit. Let's double check mission points is correct. Should be 50 based on what we saw in the admin. Something's going on though. Something's also going on. It's not saying new game. All right, let's see if we're getting a value.
May I help you, sir?
Hello, sir.
May I help you, sir?
Yes, sorry.
Mr. Milford, I see here you are a permanent badge. Here are your key. Here is your CN.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
Nothing. Okay. So I'm guessing this whole value over 0 thing is just fucking it up. So let's go ahead and just do that. And that should fix it. Because I feel like it's just not getting there.
May I help you?
Hello, sir.
May I help you, sir?
Yes, sorry.
Mr. Milford, I see here a permanent badge will be. Here are your keys. Here is your CNC.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
There we go. I don't know. I don't remember adding that value is greater than 0. There's probably a reason for it later on in the game. But that got our points animation coming back. So let's push that up. Another bug fixed. All right, push that up. Cool. So now we should be able to continue. It looks like I'm gonna have to restart again. That sucks. Yeah. Well, let's I don't know. Let's not restart. Let's see if I get points for something else and it gives me the animation noise. So we'll let the code push and then we'll call it a night. Okay. Let's refresh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's right. No game persisting. Because I'm not logging in because I'm the best. Okay, hold on. Mm-hmm.
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
Nope. Damn it. I forgot. I plugged that hole I made. See, now I'm getting nan. That's not right. So maybe that's why I did that. Why? No, that doesn't make any sense.
My name is Dr. Graham Milford, and I'm what is known.
Could be just the code push again. No, see, now it's gonna be nan. Rant. Is he doing that locally? Oh, I don't need to do that, but that's fine. Yeah, it's doing it locally too. Really? So value.
Hey Graham, I heard about you getting let go. The world is
So
cruel
this
and
was
people are
blocking the
nasty.
nan
That's
from
why I keep to
happening.
my plants.
Thanks, Carol.
Greater than
Here, you're
0,
going
huh?
to need this now that you're unemployed.
How about this or that? Maybe. No, because it'll go through. Value greater than 0. So that was blocking it. Okay, let's see what the hell we're getting here. So that I can block it, I guess. I know I fixed this whole nan thing before, I just don't remember why. Oh, that was the wrong one. God damn it.
My name is Dr. Graham Milford, and I'm what is...
Wait, what the hell? Oh, locally. Yes. That is what I want. Yeah, see what this is giving me. Why it's null. I mean nan. It's giving me an item. But why would adding this? Because it must be blocking this.
Hey Graham, I heard about you getting let go. The world is cruel and people are nasty. That's why I keep to my plants.
But I don't want to block this.
Thanks, Carol.
Here, you're going to need this now that you're unemployed.
Why is it coming up nan? Is it mission points? Maybe that's what I was supposed to do. And I just chose the wrong thing. That's probably what it was. Okay. I think I probably assumed that value was the amount of points, which you should assume that. But apparently I made value the element, which is not right. Let's try this again. Wait, how come I can hear her talking? Oh, it must have been the other game. There we go. So I don't get nan now. Can I? Well, let's go to, let's see if we get the points animation in Thyrus. So this should give me points. Well, let's check if it gives you the sound.
Lab 3 of the research grid. A permanent. Here are your keys. Here is your CNC.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
Okay, we're good. That was it. I was just grabbing the wrong information. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave the pre-boss site, full site testing. Until the next stream. Because I'm tired. And that's what I do. So we'll push this. Everything should be working. We'll go back to testing from the ground up. Just make sure everything's working again, all the points, all the cutscenes. And we'll get the Thyrus. We'll try it out. We should now have points animations. We should now be getting points for things. And that should get us over to all the whole dragging stuff. Maybe we'll fix the positionings for all those. I need to kind of spend a little time finding the best way to fix that. But yeah, anyways. Hey, Andrew, thanks so much for jumping on, my friend. Prime Boy 12, always a pleasure. And hey, Mittens, explained it all. Thanks for jumping on, even for just saying what. It's been, you know, short, not short, but a quiet stream, but a lot more people than on Tuesday, which was 0 people talking. But hey, if you're watching in the future, thanks for watching. I hope you come by and say hi to me in person. Otherwise, keep watching. We're getting there. I'm getting very close. Once this demo is finished, I will focus on getting the game engine into beta testing. And I'll let everybody find all the bugs and tell me what I need to fix. And then once it's in, you know, in a stable state, in its simplest form, I will submit it to the WordPress directory. And we'll let them tear it apart. And then I'll fix whatever they need me to. But yeah, anyways, thanks so much, everybody. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.